All right, a lot of us have been waiting about 4 years for this. I'm excited. It just came in. We have the package. It is the reMarkable Pro. Let's get it unboxed. I mean, it literally was just delivered 5 minutes ago, so this is almost like a live video. Like you guys are getting it right now. I do believe this is my order. We're gonna find out in a minute, not the review unit. I think the review unit's coming Monday. I put an order in right away so that I could get it here. Box comes in pretty good. Check it out. Let's get the reMarkable 2 out of the way. Let's get the reMarkable Plus. I'm just like a kid in a candy store. I can't wait for this. I'm so excited. Okay, so first of all, we got the Marker Plus. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. I don't want to destroy anything. I want to do this, you know, non-JB like, nice and slow, and see what we got. So we got the reMarkable. How does this open? Well, the JB way took over from the old way. All right, so here we go. Here it is, the reMarkable Paper Plus. We got documentation, and there it is. So we've got the Paper Plus. Ooh, I like it. That feels pretty good. All right, and we got tips, or nibs, whatever they want to call them. They call them tips. Let's see. Oh, a nice little box. They always do everything right. Little plastic box. I don't know how that opens up. Oh, like that. Ooh. Wow, that's pretty cool. And they are different this year. Let's see that again. Woo, woo, woo. That's pretty cool. All right, so that's the Marker Plus. We're ready to go. I do believe that needs a charge because it's an active marker. Okay. Yes, great. We did get the Type Folio. So this is my order, I believe. Or maybe this is. I don't see the receipt. So maybe this is my demo unit. Does it say anything on here? I don't know. This could be, I don't know if this is my demo unit or the one that I ordered. But anyways, either way, it's here. So let's open it up. Let's get this sucker out of the box. Let's see, how do we open it? Is there a pull tab? Yeah, I knew there was a pull tab here. And I did go with the Type Folio. So I'm excited because I have that for the reMarkable 2 too, and we'll compare. We're going to be doing a lot of comparisons, guys. We're going to be going through a lot of stuff. So here it is. All right, let's take a look. I can't wait to fire it up and get the planner on it, and I've got some surprises with the planner. So as we take it out, here we go. And I'm going to go get my iPad M4. We'll check that out too. All right, there we go. We got a USB cable. We got the device, some color. Anxious to see how that goes. Let's get that out of the light there so it's not on the light so much. I might have to turn off that light. And let's get the USB cable out. Okay, so it's just USB to USB. And they always do a good job with their cables. All right, then we've got the Type Folio. Let's see, same kind of rip on the side. All right, let's take it out. And here we go. Type Folio. There we go. All right, that's looking pretty good. Let's look at it compared to the reMarkable 2, just real quick. I mean, this is me just look at this right away. Wow, size difference already. I can tell you our planning system is going to be amazing. I'm going to shut off this light. I don't want this light on over the top. It's kind of screwing it up there. That's a little better. I got that light off. You can kind of see the difference in size. Wow, it is a little different. I still love the reMarkable 2. I think it's a great carry device. I mean, the screen size is similar, but you've got this nice little area here to put settle in on. Okay, then we have obviously our case. Here's the Type Folio case. So we'll go ahead and get this in place. All right, so we're ready to roll. All right, let's get this out. This is, you guys are seeing this just as I do it. I mean, literally, like as I'm doing this, you're seeing this. Okay, so let's see, how does this work? I think it goes here. Yep, there she goes. And so now, just a little bit bigger, we open it up. And then if we want to use the keyboard, boom, we got the keyboard here ready to go. Now is time, and we have the marker pen, which I believe goes right on the top. They have this little sticky thing on there. That off of there. Take that off of there. I do like this little notch in it. We put that there. There, it goes there, or does it go this way? There it goes. Wow, that sticks really good. That really sticks good. Okay, so we'll take that down. We'll put it here. Little weight to this thing. I'll weigh it for us later. All right, let's go ahead and turn it on and see what happens. Okay, there's reMarkable 2. All right, wait 1 second. Let's turn it on. Okay, here we go. You're doing this right with me. I mean, we're doing it. I mean, this is in vivo. It is starting. It is starting. There it goes. Does this work? Does this one work on this? Oh, no, it's active. It's different. Aha. Okay, we got a little color in here. You guys can see that. Looking pretty good. Morpheus is in the back waiting, so you can see it took a little bit of load time. Not bad. Get ready for the Pro. All right, let's go next. Attach your marker. We did that. Okay, marker's on, but I got this sticky thing still on there. Let's get rid of that. Okay, so the marker goes like that. It sticks really solid, guys. I got to tell you, I can't believe how solid that is. Okay, it's charging. Click next. That is the digital screen refresh. Looks like it's normal and keeps your display looking clean and sharp. And that's, hey guys, I'll back up here. That's the same thing this big Quilla does. A lot of people ask me about this. They're out of business now, but this is the old Quilla. And every once in a while, it screen refreshes because it's such a big device. And the way the technology works, that's the way it works. All right, so let's go ahead and click next. We're going to connect the Wi-Fi. We're going to do all this. And what I want to do next is I'm just going to stop the video because I'm going to go get my planner on here because I want you to see what it looks like with the planner. First take. So I'm going to get signed up for Wi-Fi, get everything set up, and we will be right back here to do this. Again, this is first take, not a review, just right out of the box. I'm just going to go put the planner on it. And then we're going to see how things work, all right? So I'll get this set up and we're going to get going. Okay, I am back. And what I thought would happen was both devices did set up right. So I'm, as far as aligning all of our planners up, which is such a big part of what we're doing, right? So as they get into this, again, this is just a raw video. I've had this 5 minutes. I'm just working on it. And I honestly already like the size because it gives me more size. And let me turn on the light here. So if we close this and we click up here and we turn up, I'm going to turn it all the way up. It gives it a little brightness. You can see that. And we go into the planner. For those of you that, a lot of you are using the planner, go ahead, open that up. There it goes. We now get a little more size here. I'm going to show you something in a minute that's really cool, which is nice for your Sacred 6 to-dos. So, you know, workout. I like the fact that I can change colors. So we go with blue. So let's say we got a schedule here, today, meeting. And basically what happens is as you write, then it refreshes to the color, which is pretty good. The color's all right. Again, I'm just getting started with this. We're going to do a full review, but you can kind of see the color there. And we got other colors, I'm sure. Let's try magenta. Testing. It doesn't bother me the way they did the technology and it refreshes. I'm used to it, like I said, on the Quilla and other devices, so that's fine. I still think the reMarkable 2 is a great device, but this thing is awesome. I really like it. And I said I would surprise you just because we're rocking and rolling this right now. And the surprise is going to be, let me take this out, that we're working on some new formats of our planner. So if I go into My Files here and we come into My Files, we're going to take a look at just one of the new planner styles that we're working for 2025, and it looks fantastic. Like that's version 1. We've got 3 versions to test, but I just love it. I mean, the layout, the structure of our planning with all the people that we work with, it just really, really looks really good. I think it's going to be phenomenal. You did not see that. That's like double secret probation, but you can kind of see. Here's another sample. Let's just look at Test Planner 3 and take a look at this one. Little bit different on the cleaning side. Got our daily journal, everything there. That's looking pretty good too. So excited about things. And if we go to the next page, we got our health and all of our structure, our journaling in there. So that one looks pretty good. Again, you're not seeing any of this. Let's close that. Let's go to test 1 again. I just want to see what it looks like, that second page. So we got that page in there. In page 2, we've got our macros and what we're doing as far as health goes. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. Man, I'm pretty impressed. I'm pretty excited about using this, especially as we come into 2025 and we start building. Obviously, I'm going to continue with my reMarkable 2, because we use this for a lot. But man, I can see this working for a lot of people. Do you think you need to upgrade? Man, I've had this thing 10 minutes. So I'm not going to say run out, but I do like the size, the scratchiness. I'm going to do a full review like I used to, old school guys, where we get into this. But I just wanted to unbox it with you. I wanted to show you how cool it is coming out of the gate. I thought there was a little flippy thing on some reviewers had, I guess on the key, oh, there it is. Yeah, there it is. Okay, it is there. I guess it is there. Okay, that keeps the stylus in. Little things that are just really awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start using it. I'm going to show you how I set it up. Like I said, we've got new planners coming. By the way, you can get the planner for free at morningcoach.com. You can get the 2024. It's right here. It works great. You can see we open it up. If you just got your reMarkable and you can put it on here, I'll just show it to you real quick. So if I go into my planning, into our 2024 planner, it's here. Everything works. So let's say you want to go to tomorrow, you got your journal, and it's right there. You can go home. Home is where we navigate to everything, and you can grab this for free, like I said, in Morning Coach, and then you can go into September, which is the date, and you can go to whatever date it is, the 12th, and the planner is working great, and it actually works really good on this. It's just a little bigger, gives you a little more space, and like I was showing you privately, we are working on some new upgrades that are just going to be awesome for those of you that are in our system that are you're just going to be blown away. And again, you go to morningcoach.com, get that for free. And we're also doing a cool course too. I'll link that down below. But exciting times. I'm super pumped to get upstairs, get out of the studio and start using this thing. But I wanted you to have my first experience. Am I excited? Yes, I am. I am excited to take my organizational level to the next level. I've been using reMarkable 2 for years. And now I'm excited about this device. I told you I'd bring the iPad down. I'll do that in the main review. I got the iPad i4. We'll check that out. We can compare it to some other things. But it is a little heavy, I'll tell you, with the keyboard case. But man, is this a cool device. I'm excited. I'm pumped about using it and really excited. So as you can tell. So any comments down below? What do you want to know about this device? I'm going to take it through the ringer over the next couple days. Are there any specific things you want to ask about it? Anything you want me to try so that we can get into this and really start digging into it and compare it to whatever you want to compare it to. But for me, as far as a planner and note taker and organizer, I'm very impressed so far. 10 minutes out of the gate. So comments down below, a lot of videos coming. If you like fun, just real fun stuff, subscribe. Of course, a like is really awesome, and I appreciate you. We've been doing this a long time. Thanks for this ride with me. Thank you. It's been a while. All right, we're gonna keep rolling. I'm gonna go upstairs and start using this thing so I can really review it for you.